Good morning, everyone. We will start the call. US markets were up 0.5% on Friday. Asian markets are mixed this morning. Hang Seng is down 0.5% after multiple poor Chinese data on Saturday with respect to manufacturing, consumption, and investment, all of which slowed down more than economists had forecasted, while even the jobless rate increased in China. Many other Asian markets are closed today for holiday. Japan, South Korea, Indonesia, and mainland China are closed. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open on a positive note, or we set a gap of opening, and we're likely to witness some upside tick during a day. On the technical front, as of now, Nifty is very well placed about 25,300 marks, which gives some sort of a relief sign. On the downside, it has a crucial support level set around 25,300. Any move below that level will attract some sort of a profit bookings, which might take a Nifty towards 25,240 to 25,200. Whereas the resistance is placed at around 25,440. Any move about that level, we expect some more positive momentum towards at least 25,500 to 25,700 levels on the higher side. So overall view and the technical setup is really positive. One should hold their long positions as long as Nifty trades about 25,240 levels. Coming towards the Bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 52,180 is the first resistance level we need to watch out. Any move about that level will witness some sort of a positive momentum towards 52,500, 52,770. Support is placed at around 51,700, 51,500. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 24,040 and 24,110 are the two resistance level, whereas the support is placed at around 23,900, 23,830. Stock specific, Tata Consumer really looks good on the technical front. The stock is trading in the rising pattern. We believe that it has a potential to reach up to 1255 levels on the higher side. So one can take the long positions at the CMP as well by maintaining a strict stop loss of 1185. That's it from my end. I request the team to take the call forward.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you have seen that in last week, the Nifty gave a good closing about 25,300 level, building a good put right up base from 25,000 to 25,400 mark. As per the monthly basis, we are seeing that 25,000 level is holding strongly with the put right up positions against the call right up positions. Against that, we are seeing the call right up position is directly getting added near 25,400 and 500 zone. Once Nifty goes about 25,500 level, then we will witness that the range is likely to get broken out towards 25,800 to 26,000 mark. As per the overall data scenario from the OI front, it seems to be the positive side, and the data we are witnessing that is showing that the 25,200 will act as an immediate resistance for the short term period on the weekly basis. While FIs are continuously into buying zone from last 5 days of trading session, we are seeing that FIs is into buying more. And in the Friday session also, we witnessed that 23 crore, 2,300 crore buying was being seen from the FI front. So overall data seems to be the positive side. PCR OI closed at 1.33 level. The support for PCR is at 1.08 level. Once if PCR again goes above 1.45 level, then we witness the buying momentum of 100 to 150 points on the Nifty front once PCR goes above 1.45 level. So hold the long position with the support of 25,200 level. Once if Nifty goes about 25,500 level, then on an initial basis we will witness 200 to 300 point momentum on the upper end. While on the stock specific front, IT counter looks positive, while other counter that looks positive. Another sector that looks positive with the counters will be from Auto front, Bajaj Auto, Bandhan Bank, AU Bank, and from the IT front, LTIM, Coforge looks positive in today's day of trading session. So that's it from Bajaj front. Thank you.
Thermax Babcock and Wilcox Energy, a subsidiary of Thermax, has secured a repeat order from a client in Botswana. The project involves setting up 600 megawatt greenfield power plant with order valued at 516 crores. Today, one IPO will be opening, Northern Arc Capital. It's an NBFC, and it will be closing on Thursday. We have given subscribe rating. Issue price is 263 per share. Market cap at this price will be 5,000 crores. Total issue size is 777 crores. 500 crores is fresh issue and balance 277 crores is OFS. It is basically NBFC, which is very similar to Mass Financial in the listed space. Plus, company also does some work in debt syndication and runs a debt PMS. These two segments are small and form hardly 8 to 10% of total revenue. On the main segment of lending, it has an AUM of almost 12,000 crores, out of which half is lent out directly to end borrowers at a yield of 19%, meaning company itself lends, while other half of AUM is lent by its partner NBFC, where it is tied up with smaller NBFCs and they then indirectly lend to the end customer. So these partner NBFCs are lent at a rate of 13%. That's how a blended yield of around 16% is obtained by Nadanak. Cost of fund is 9%, so they make a spread of around 7% on this business. If we look at the end customer mix, then MSME loan forms 40% of book, consumer finance is 27% mix, and microfinance around 20% mix. These are the three major segments. ROA, ROE are very similar to that of Mass Financial at 3% and 15%, with AUM growing at around 28% CAGR. Company is available at 1.8 times trailing price to book compared to Mass Financial valuation of 2.6 times. So we think that there is a possible listing gain of around 30 odd percent over here. That's why we have given subscribe rating. Today also Bajaj Housing Finance will be listing. We had given subscribe rating on this. Issue price was 70 rupees per share and listing is expected to happen between 140 to 150. Market cap at that price will be around 1,20,000 crores. Issue size was 6,500 crore. 3,500 crore was fresh and 3,000 OFS. So in a very short span of time, the business started in 2018 and already Bajaj Housing, that is BHFL, has become number 2 company in the housing finance space after LIC Housing Finance. AUM is at 97,000 crores. Core home loan makes up 58% of AUM. Loan against property is 10%. LRD, which is lease rental discounting, is around 20% and developer book around 10%. In core home loans, the average ticket size is 46 lakhs and CIBIL score of customers is 750 plus. So basically it is competing directly with large banks and larger NBFCs, which is a highly competitive segment. There are basically 4 points which are going well for BHFL. First is the Bajaj brand itself, which is helping it scale up the business fast. Also because of the brand, they are able to, brand and parentage, able to get a good credit rating and can raise funds at a low cost. Thirdly, loan growth over last couple of years is at 31% CAGR versus listed peers growing at around 20 odd percent only. And lastly, asset quality stands out with net NPA of just 0.1%, much better than all the peers. Issue was priced attractively at 3.2 times price to book, similar to peer average despite having much higher loan growth. However, upon listing at 140 to 150 per share, BHFL will trade at between 5 to 5.5 times book value. It's FY25 book value. So we think that at this valuation, company will be fully priced, and from a near-term perspective, then there won't be any upside left. So only with people who are having longer term horizon can continue to hold on, where they can expect compounding of around 20-22% from the stock. Thank you.
Good morning. Artemis Medicare Services has informed that it has completed the construction of Tower 3, which has a capacity of accommodating around 180 beds. And it will be operational in a phased manner with effect from 13 September. So that's positive for the company. Thank you.
Good morning. So Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services has entered into an agreement with a company, Founderlink Technologies, wherein the company would offer financial facility, that is a business loan to Zaggle corporate customers, their vendors, and even channel partners. So this news is positive for Zaggle. One can accumulate the stock with a long-term view. That's it from me. Thank you.
That's all for the day. Thank you for attending. Have a good day.